let's show you the most beautiful bird of the day. This time, we're talking about the incredible peacock, and it is looking gorgeous. The colors that they have are the sweetest and the most unique ones ever. They really do have the most beautiful reveal of their feathers, and the colors are a unique combo on each of them. The one thing that really makes these birds look special and unique from the others is the bright colors of the feathers. Something that varies in each of them depending on the gender and species.